Nidhi Yadav. I'm a final year student from Computer Science and Engineering Department. As a final year student, we have been missing out on all the experiences of that final semester student has to go through. But luckily, our management and institution has managed for us to experience at least the final examinations in its true way. So I would like to thank the management, our principal, and all the staff and faculty for maintaining good security standards, starting from social distancing, which was maintained from the time we entered to college and in the classrooms as well as during the examinations. We were, as soon as we entered into the main building, we were sanitized with a sanitizing tunnel. We were allowed to have security precautions like masks, gloves, and carrying sanitizer bottles with us. So overall, the security and the safety of the students have been maintained at utmost priority, and we haven't experienced any trouble so far. So I would like to thank everyone who is involved in this process for making this examination experience a good one.
From the entrance until from the entry and the exit, both were fully secure. I mean, everyone was used to maintain the distance and everything was organized well. From the gate entrance to till the classrooms allocation, and even in the classroom allocation, the distance between the students and the way they used, I mean, the way they collected the note sheets and didn't return back, and again while coming back the same thing is followed again. So I think it is a very secure environment to write exam.
We're extremely happy with what our college has done. They've taken a lot of steps. They've marked, they have ensured that they provide us proper sanitization, and our faculty has stood by in every spot of the college, helping us and aiding us and guiding us. So it is a very nice thing. It's a nice initiative that the college has taken. And we were sanitized in every spot, so that was a very good thing. And we were given instructions prior to us coming to the exams itself, and we were kept at notice well advanced before our exams, and our faculty were there to aid us, and if you'd call any faculty, they also responded, so it was a very well organized exam.
I'm a student. My name is Megha. All the arrangements were very good and very hygienic. Every student was to wear the gloves, and the mask was compulsory. Social distancing was compulsory. All starting from the gate to the end till the college entrance. The distance was maintained by drawing the lines, and even the seating arrangements inside the exam hall was very good. It was with proper distance, and after the exam no one is allowed to stand in the campus. Everyone need to vacate the college, and it was very good.
It was seamless. So once we entered the campus, we had a designated way. So through that we reached our classes. So the classrooms were pretty tidy. It was fumigated. We could all feel that, and then we were also whatever the study materials that we were bought, it was collected back. And then we had the sanitization. We sanitized our hands, and then we wrote the exams. The entire process of exam was normal, as in what we have to do with the other processes. The previous examinations, there was not much of a difference with that. The process was seamless, and then as soon as our exams was done, one by one the answer sheets were collected, and then we were one after another with a gap in between, we were let out of the classrooms. So and back again, so we are following the same social distancing, and we are reaching out of the campus.